First of all, we're providing a service that is a no-cost service. The individuals that were in the room, they got 4 hours of education from industry experts at no cost to them. You know, it's a win-win for the industry, for the water supply officials. Obviously, it's the business that we're in to try to educate these folks. I think the partnership between the rural water associations and the industry is paramount. I mean, whenever we do training, we want to bring in experts. And obviously, the experts in whatever field, that's the people we want in our training sessions.
What is important and what I like about doing it is I'm able to provide the most information to water operators, water superintendents, public employees who may not know that it's even out there, and what services are available to them and why they might need them.
It gives people an opportunity to see these professionals in a non-sales mode. So these operators and city officials, obviously you can gauge expertise pretty quickly.
They're an outstanding organization. I mean, the reach that they have and education that they have from each individual that belongs to the Rural Water Association on down to its members. I mean, they just have so much knowledge about the water industry, from everything from source to tap. So to be able to be a part of that and get to work side by side with them and gain knowledge from them, as well as me help them out about things about water tanks and how we can help their customers that they represent, it's just even better.